Hello, this is Tony Plus here. Welcome to Teardown, a voxel game. It's all about destruction and cutting things out and doing these challenges. You'll see. Anyway, let's get started. Bye! Walk home. Is that what the sign says? Oh, no, it's Transit 4. Whoa, kinda wonky. 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 Alright, walk home. Bloop. Open gate. With my face? Oh, hand. Oh, that looks like something I could play with. Nice. Whee! I expected it to hit the fence, but whatever. Who needs doors when you can make your own? What do we got here? Nice. Yeah, that failed. There we go. Womp. Cannot break the metal. Yeah, that's right. Tease you guys. Replace the fuse and turn on the power. But I need to take a Come on, door, work. That's a bit of lag. Use tool. Used it. Used it. Womp. But what if I don't want to check the messages? Tracy, gas bill. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? I just did, right now. Oh wait, that's you again. Kind of fishy, but we need the money. Oh, do it. Alright. Here's the plan. Wait, what? Escape? Oh boy. Don't like that plan. 6.3 meters too tall. Okay, I could do that. These are red, so those are probably explosives. I was like, why is it blurry? Womp. Oh, I have health. Womp. Ow. Womp. Womp. Oops. I can't read it, and now I really can't read it. Damn it, not again. What else can we destroy? How about this shack? This shack looks like it needs to go. It's pretty sad anyway. It just limped over. Hello. Dry vehicle. Don't mind if I do. This is how you use one of these, right? Ah, tree. I'm just gonna waste all these so I don't die again. By die I mean not die. I love me some destruction. Oh, I'm stuck. Why am I always stuck? I tend to get stuck in all these games. Oops. Let's try this one. This one can't fail, right? It's a scooper. It's meant to scoop buildings. Come on. Scoop the building. Scoop it. I think I'm stuck again. Alright. Come on. Fuck. Time for explosions. Forget that. Forget what I was doing. I'm really blurry. Now this... That was close. This is the main part we have to kill. Still not down. Still not down. Wait, what's holding it? A little piece is still holding it. Oops, I almost killed myself again. Alright, let's take this down by a whole notch. One little notch. Anticlimactic. I'm just gonna chop it up into pieces. We're gonna block it out. We're gonna tear it down. Ha! Oh god. I gotta go. They heard that. They heard that joke. Be gone. And it only took 3 minutes. Die. Back to the real business. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. Miss Turdman at the police just sent me this photo. They must caught you on traffic. Ah, boy. Oh, it's her. Just don't do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. What is it? That the steal? I'll make sure your little blender will be forgotten. Oh, please do. The chemicals. Not anymore. Wow, they just leave the gate right open for me. Hello, car. Hello, house. Pick up target. Now what? Alright, let's see. Where do we go? Womp. Office. 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 Must be locked. Oh, I'm strong. Really? It didn't explode when I threw it? Let's try that again. Damn, that's a tough door. Gotta break out the big guns. Hello, I have arrived. Hello, valuable. Yoink. What was that? Oh. Ooh, hello. Time to cheer through here. Time to break. Time to. Get out! Oh, hello. Oh. Wait, were you valuable? No, I can't pick it up. No! Wait, what's up here? There seems to be an attic. Attic of goodies? Ooh, attic of goodies. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's just light. Alright. Oh. What else can we look at? A lot of pipes going around. Ooh, hello there. I see you. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yes. Oh, I saw you. Can I has? Nice. I feel like we were supposed to get something in here. Oh. Getting stuck again. What's in here? Hello. Nice. To chair. Whoa. No. No. Wait, am I hanging from this? Oh. No. Oh, shiny. Shiny. Can't forget the shinies. Microscope. Are we observing my bad... Ooh. My bad gameplay? Probably. Whoa, I'm flying. Oh, I have all three. Cool. But there's more to destroy. Whoa, that was awkward. Hello, hello. Did somebody... I am here now. Where does this staircase go? Why can't I use the staircase at all? Save... I don't need to save. I need to fly. Ow. I want to smack that, but I don't want to use my hands. I know I'll die. Woo! Back inside we go. Why are you foiling my plans? Got it. Alright, let's get out of here. You can ignore everything that just happened. Oh, whoa. My car just went straight through the rock. Breaking at Lee Chemicals. It wasn't me. Oh, that looks like me. Ooh, what are you working on? Fixing up this hot rod. I like the blue. Now he's a robot car. We have upgrades. Well, that's it for Teardown. I'm a level 4 Demolisher. I hope you enjoyed. This is Tony Plus. Gotta get used to saying that name. I'd explain why, but it's pretty obvious. I hope you enjoyed this video. There'll be many more. I'll have a selection of other videos coming up soon, hopefully, with my schedule. Give me comments on what I could improve. Yes, I know the audio is kind of crappy. I just starting out. I hope you guys like the video. I'll make them short, I'll make them long. Depends on my mood. I'm just here to have fun. This looks... Oh. 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 Alright. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.